Hello, folks. Welcome to 101 Wealth Creators. My name is Eric. I want to welcome you one more time to this YouTube channel. And today, first of all, I want to give thanks to each and every person who has shared, they've liked our videos, and they've subscribed to this YouTube channel and spread the word out. It's amazing. Guys, I like the energy that each and every person have when it comes to learning all about issues to do with Forex, cryptocurrency, and stocks. The last 3 classes have been fire. People have been active in class, and that is very good for me. I like it, and I hope you guys are learning. Please, I want to give you a challenge this week. Just share and invite one person whom you think is very much interested in Forex. Let them subscribe to the YouTube channel and learn what you're learning. Without wasting time, let's head to class and see what we have today. Welcome. Hello, folks, and welcome back to our Forex class. As usual, behind the board or in front of the board is your boy Eric. And today, what I want us to look at is Doji Candlestick. I'll show you how Doji Candlestick, I think you can see it from the screen, how it looks. This one is the Doji Candlestick. And when you go to the chart, you will always see it on the chart, and it can always tell you something when it comes to trading. So today I'll try and take you to the chart too, and let's try and identify a Doji candle together and see what we'll have learned here on the charts. And please, I want to tell you, or I want to ask you that at your own time, please just go type in trading view. After you finish the class, just type in trading view and then try to look at the candles and see if you can identify different candles that we've been learning since ever we started. So today it's a doji candlestick, and it's also a candlestick that gives a formation on the chart, and it can help you trade. As we said, that when you know how formations work and how candlesticks work, it becomes easier for you. So I want you to go with me, and when you look at this, doji candlestick is pretty simple. Like, it has a higher price, a lower price, a closing price, and an opening price. You find that the closing price and the opening price, it's like a cross, and decision in the market. Like, it opens and closes at the same spot, So like from my small notes that I made for you guys, it says that doji is one of the most important Japanese candlestick pattern. When this candlestick forms, it tells us that the market opens and closes at the same price, which means there is equality and indecision between the buyers and the sellers. Therefore, there's no one in control of the market. So when it forms on the lower trend, let's say you've drawn your support and the resistance and you are on the support, and then it forms on the support, then automatically we are gonna start seeing the upper trend. When it goes up and you find it formed on the resistance, then automatically with other formation, then it's gonna tell you that the market is gonna go down. So you either take your profit, you either sell or buy. As you can see, the opening price is the same as the closing price. That's what I said. When this pattern occurs in the upper trend or downtrend, it indicates that the market is likely to reverse, So if it is on the downward trend, automatically it's gonna go up. It's on the upper trend, then automatically the market is gonna go, it's gonna start falling. You see? So here, as we can see, Doji candle has just formed on the upper trend or uptrend or here. Then you see it form, then automatically the market just wanna start going down, just wanna start going on the lower trend. So if you are on the upper trend and you find it form, you see it form, it's time or it's calling for you to take your profit, or after you sell, or if you want to buy, then you can buy it at that point, or if you want to sell, then you can sell it on that point. Depends with where it is, where is the trend, is it on upper trend or lower trend? Okay, class. The chart above shows how the market changed direction after the formation of Doji candle. So first important thing is are you able to identify a Doji candle if that is if a chart is open? And that's why I'm teaching all this, that when you go onto a chart, it doesn't matter which chart, cryptocurrency chart, uh, stocks chart, or Forex chart, can you identify these candles and what are the candles telling you? You know, the formation of Doji candle indicates that the buyers are unable to keep the price high and the sellers push the price back to the opening price. You know, this is a clear indication that trend reversal is likely to happen. Just like I said, when you see it form up there or you see it form down there, it's your time to buy. If you see it form up on the resistance, it's your time to sell, because the reversal is gonna happen, and you want to go with the boys. They say you have to go with the trend, you know. So very important. And remember always that Doji candle indicates equality and indecision in the market. You will often find it during periods of resting after big move, high or low, or higher or lower, you know. So when there was a big move, there was a big uptrend, then you find it form, then automatically when it's formed, we are gonna have the reversal. And the most important thing is that you discover that now we are headed to the reversal, and you do what is necessary. The necessary thing is that you take your profit. Okay. So if you are already riding that trend, it's time to take profit. It can be used as an entry signal if it combines with other technical analysis. Very important, and I emphasize that you can't just trade using only Doji. You use other technical analysis, you know, support and resistance, you know. Is the trend going up or going down? Like, you can't just use that one only. Let's say you are using maybe Bolingo band, and when you see it form on the Bolingo band, on upper or lower side of the Bolingo band, you know what to do. All right, let's continue. And then I want us to look at another one now, and this is the dragonfly doji pattern. You know, it's this one, this that you're seeing here. This is the dragonfly doji pattern. It's just that now that the doji pattern was forming like a cross, this one, the close and open, is on the upper, and this one is the bullish candle. You know, you see where the bullish candle forms, it forms on the upper side. The dragonfly doji is a bullish candle. Okay, that means when you see it, as we said on other classes, bullish is buying, you know, and bearish is selling. Okay, so bullish candle pattern, which forms when the open high and close are the same or about the same price. What characterizes the dragonfly is long lower tail that shows resistance of buyers and the attempt to push the market up. See, it forms on the upper with the long tail, you know. Buyers, therefore, buyers attempting to push the price up. So when you see this, then you know that that is a dragonfly doji pattern, and it's a bullish candle. You know, when it's a bullish candle, you know. Right. You see, so the longer the lower tail suggests that the force of supply and demand are near a balance. That direction of the trend may be nearing a major turning point, class. Like you see, as I said, it's now like, for example, oh my, did I just miss it? A minute. Okay. Let's, for example, when you see, do you see where it forms? You know, it's on the, let's say if this was support, then you see it form down on the support, then just prepare yourself for confirmation to check your trend. I mean, take your buy, you know, take your buy and then flow with the trend. And you see it forms here, then it kind of it goes up a little bit and then comes down. I'll say that you set your buy over here, you know, take your profit over here, you know, and I'll show you how to place your buys and sells in the near future. And then as we continue, this is the opposite of dragonfly gravestone doji. This pattern indicates that while the bucket, I'll say this. The image above illustrates a perfect gravestone doji. This pattern indicates that while buyers were able to push the price well above the open, you know, later in the day, the sellers overwhelmed the buyers, pushing the price back down. So if it was here, then you see it form gravestone doji, then boom, we are gonna go to a roller coaster downwards. Okay. All right. So we are here, guys. We are on the chart, guys. This is Trading View. And we are trying to identify the doji. One of the doji candlestick is here. This one, you guys, if you can see that. Can you see that? Can you see that? And if this was a resistance, if this was our resistance, then it shows that it's undecided, and you see it go down, you know. And then let's identify, where else do you see doji, gravestone doji, you know, on this chart? I want you to look at those candlesticks that I've shown you and let me know what you think. Guys, this is the thing, that before you start, you need to try and identify them. I just identify. Can you see them? Can you see Dragon Star? Can you see Dragonfly Doji? Can you see Doji itself? Can you see Gravestone Doji? You know, when you see all that, then you can now tell. And as we say, that where is it forming? Is it forming on the support or resistance? You know, and if it is forming on the resistance, on the support, what is it telling you? When it's forming on the resistance, what is it telling you? You know? All right, guys. And if you look at this, we are on the continuation. So do you see any doji over there? You guys can tell me if you see any doji over there. Any of them, you know? So always go back to the chart and try identify those candlesticks that you're talking about and try to see what they are trying to tell us. Otherwise, guys, thank you. Until I see you next time in our class, goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. And I'll see you on the next. Thank you.